Hi bakers, welcome back. And today we are gonna make chocolate crinkles. And before anything else, I would like to say thank you so much because of all your support and feedback from my last video. Chocolate crinkles is our all-time favorite. And to make crinkles, we are gonna need a sifter, a medium to large bowl, a weighing scale, and a mixer. First off, I would like to answer one of the questions from one of my co-workers asking, why do I keep shifting back and forth from grams to cups? Well, the reason is because in some parts of the world, they use grams instead of cups. Today, we're gonna measure our flour using a weighing scale because we don't wanna pack it so tight, and I want it to be the exact measurement. So with your sifter on top of your bowl, you're gonna start up your weighing scale and you're going to measure 240 grams of flour. 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 and 2. So we are sifting it, making sure that there are no lumps. And we are going to mix. After mixing it, you're gonna set it aside. On our mixing bowl, we're putting 1/2 cup of olive oil. You could actually use vegetable oil. 350 grams of granulated sugar. And put it in your mixer with a paddle attachment and mix. Chocolate crinkles doesn't actually use butter, so if you'll notice, this is oil and sugar. This is just so fluffy and nice. Now we're gonna add our 1 cup of cocoa powder. Make sure that you're gonna put it on low. And then you can just bring it up higher. Now we'll clean our bowl. We are going to crack 4 eggs. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we got 4 eggs. Make sure that your mixer is on low, and we're gonna put it in one by one. Let's clean up our bowl. Ooh, look at that gooey chocolatiness. So good. Make sure that it's nice and incorporated. Now it looks really chocolatey, but don't taste it because it has 4 raw eggs in it. So try to hold yourself off, okay? And mix. So while mixing, we are gonna get 1 teaspoon of instant coffee. Won't actually taste coffee in it, but coffee will bring out all the goodness and richness in your chocolate. Then we are gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of strawberry extract. So the chocolate crinkles that we're making today is actually a strawberry chocolate crinkle. That's why I put 1 teaspoon of strawberry extract, and we are going to put 1 teaspoon of Bailey's strawberries and cream. Now, if you don't like strawberries at all, you can take these two out. You don't have to put them in. The reason why I'm incorporating strawberries in my chocolate crinkles is because I wanted it to taste like a sacher torte. And I love that chocolate cake. 2 teaspoons of Bailey's strawberries and cream, and mix. And now it's done. We are going to mix our dry ingredients right here. And then mix on low. Low. There you go. To clean the bowl. Look at that chocolate richness. Well mixed and incorporated. It's gonna be super moist. Once you mix your dry mixture into your wet, make sure that you are on low so there won't be a puff of cloud, sugar clouds. So now that we're done with our batter, we're gonna have to let it stay overnight in the fridge. I'm gonna see you again tomorrow to bake these wonderful crinkles. We're gonna cover it with a cling wrap. You can cover it with anything that you have at home. Right there. Ta-da! Yeah. To the fridge overnight. Good morning, bakers! Welcome back, and it's our second day. We have chilled our chocolate crinkle batter in the fridge, and we're gonna take it out later because we have to prepare everything first. So let's go through them one by one. For your baking pan, you're gonna need a parchment paper, and I have measured and cut it already. So I have prepared 2 ways to make your crinkles. I have here the regular way. It's just a powdered sugar. And then we are gonna do a twist, which is a strawberry powdered sugar, which I'm gonna show you how. So there'll be like 2 batches of different crinkles. One is just the regular powder, and then the other will be the strawberry twist. If you just wanted to do the regular one, just stop right at here. You just need a sugar powder. But if you wanted to try the strawberry one, you could get this. It's called the freeze-dried strawberry slices. So this is how they look like. Right there. That's how it looks. So these are dried strawberries, and they are so good. Now, if you don't have them at your stores, you don't have to do it. You can just go with your regular powdered sugar. To make our strawberry powdered sugar, you're gonna need 1 cup of powdered sugar and then half a cup of strawberry, dried strawberries. Then get your mixer, put them in, your strawberries, that color. So if you're gonna put it side by side, you have 2 different colors. There you go. This is your strawberry powder, and then this is your regular powder. You could actually just use a regular blender for this. I don't know about you, but I love strawberries in my chocolates. I just love it. I just love it. We got our 2 powdered sugars ready. So we're gonna take out our batter in the fridge. So this stayed overnight in the fridge, and look at that. It chilled to where you can easily form it into little tiny balls. So if you're gonna touch it, look at that. So fudgy. So we are gonna use an ice cream scoop to scoop it one by one and form it into a ball. So I typically take a dollop of the batter, put it underneath the parchment paper, then stick it right there, kind of like a glue. Now it's in place. There you go. You're gonna get a scoop and just form it into a ball. And I know it's really sticky. So bakers, this batter is very sticky. So I've tried doing it in my hands, but trust me, it's gonna be so messy. So try to get some sugar on the palm of your hand. Just rub it in. There you go. And then get the batter. And what I do is I drop it onto the sugar right away. Like that. And from here, I roll it into a ball. Because it's impossible to roll it in your hand because it's super sticky. Right there. See, it has now turned into a ball. Right there. The next one onto the strawberry. Again, we're gonna roll it into the sugar powder and roll it into a ball. So this is a perfect dessert, anytime snack. Actually, Eric and I, every time we have to travel somewhere or we have to drive like to Dallas or to Austin and we just needed a snack, you know, during the drive, I bake these ahead of time so we have something to snack on. Hey guys, this is the last batch. So this batter can make 2 batches. Okay, so my first batch has already gone into the oven, and my second batch would go in after 12 to 13 minutes. And there you go. See how messy that is? That's what I told you. And I'm gonna go clean up. See you in a bit. Guys, look at this. They are done. Ta-da! So I let them cool first so I can handle it and show it to you guys. Alrighty, so they were baked for 13 minutes in the oven. If you have a larger party to feed, make just smaller balls that will make into smaller crinkles. Okay, so look at that. Ta-da! Now we are gonna dig in. So we're gonna taste it. Guys, this is so good. So you know, it's fudgy in the inside and it's crunchy on the outside. It is so good, guys. How do you bring it to a party? You can plate it this way. Just put them on top of each other and then bring it like this, and that's good. Or if you're gonna give it away, get a box and a yarn, put them inside, box it up. When you're presenting a gift to someone, you have to make sure that it looks really nice. Okay, so there you go. You could give it away, you could share it with your friends. So guys, bake, bake, bake. Enjoy baking. It's very therapeutic. It's good for you and your family. So thank you for watching and hope you like my video. If you do, please like and subscribe, and please hit on that notification bell so you'll know if I have new videos. So thank you so much. And again, thank you for your feedbacks and comments. Well, you have a wonderful day and happy baking!